Hello, my dear crafters. Today I am so happy. My handmade holidays Christmas kit by Spellbinders has arrived. I bought this like, I don't know, 10 days ago, and it's here, and we're going to open this together. So if you're searching for a kit, you know that I love their card kits, and I use them with my friends and sometimes alone when I just want to have some quiet, creative time. So let me show you. We're going to open this together. I have not looked at this yet. I can't wait. I just saw the pictures online, and I know it's a kind of a limited edition, so I'll have the link below for you. So here they give you some ideas and the contents. Let me just read it to you. We have 13 A2 cards in envelopes, 12 5x7. That's great that they added that because some people like bigger cards. 14 sheets of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, 4 sheets of 8.5 by 11 foil paper, and they have the best foil paper. I use it all the time because you know I love my gold. 6x6 40 sheet paper pad, die cut floral shapes, chipboard embellishments, stickers, a clear stamp set, some gems, sequins, puffy stickers, foam adhesive, foam squares, and adhesive tape. So these are some of the ideas. I will have, after I open this, I'll show you some more ideas of cards that can be made with this kit, okay? So I'm going to just move everything out of the box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You know, guys, from now on, you know, after we're going to have a Halloween series, and then it's all going to be Christmas. So you will see the cards that I make with these. So I'm going to put this aside and show you. So here are the cards. See, they have, I like that they did that. So they give you two options of cards now. So the A2, which is 4.25 by 5.5, and this one that is 5x7. So you get the cards in very good quality. The 5x7, both of them are textured. So really, really pretty. It's hard for you to see in the video, but so we can make a lot of cards with those. So I'll leave the die cuts for last. So you get some tape, some foam adhesive here, the squares, and some double-sided tape. Oh wow, look at the color of this sequins. How beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is the first time I see sequins too without the hole in the middle. So that makes a difference. I never liked that hole, so I love that they have that there. Oh wow, I love this color. Gorgeous. Here are the puffy stick. Now here the chipboard. These are the chipboard stickers. So I'm going to show you without the plastic because it's always better. So we have Jingle All the Way just for you. You have some banners here. You have some images, the floral. I'm really curious to see the paper because they usually go with the paper. Oh, I love this joy here. Warm wishes. Look at these. So beautiful, beautiful puffy stickers. Here are the gems. The gems, I'm going to get it out of the plastic because I think it's always easier for you to see if it's out of the plastic because of the light. So there you go. Look, gems, 3 different sizes, gold. This is like, what do they call it? Pink gold. I think that's what they call. Oh, the stamps. I love the sentiments. I haven't been using stamps lately very much. I mean image stamps, but I do use a lot of the sentiments. So I love that this is mainly sentiments. Handmade. Oh, I love that. We all need that, don't we? Handmade with love, a small one. Fa la 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 la. Let's deck the halls with love and laughter. Wishing you seasons merry and bright with lots of love. We wish you a Merry Christmas, season's greetings, Merry Christmas, peace and love and joy, and warmest wishes. So wonderful, perfect for inside of your cards, for also the front of your cards. Here are the stickers. Oh wow, I love that they have these. Let me show you. these banners here because I really search for good Christmas banners all the time, and they don't come around very often, as you know. So these are all banners that you can use as the focal point sentiment for your cards. And look how gorgeous these are. These are stamps. Oh, I love it. I know what I'm going to use this for. One of the tutorials I'll teach you is to make little tiny books with post-it notes. So they're going to look like books, and these will be perfect for that size. So there you go, some stickers. Here are some puffy sentiments too. They always have these, and I love them. I like the white one. Wow, it's a lot, isn't it? Oh, yes, that's what I want to see. I want to see the paper pad. So here it's called Handmade Holidays. It's made exclusively for this kit. So let's flip through it so you see. This is foil, little stars. So some Christmas trees, foil. Oh, I love this plaid. Oh, let me show you this one because it has foil and it's, oh, so cute. I love it. I love the colors. Flowers. I always love flowers for Christmas. Oh, this one is great for the stamps. Oh, little tiny pad. Oh, I wonder if I'm going to, I think I'm going to cut all these little tiny tags. Look, these are all tags. I am totally going to cut them because this is a great size and very unique. So look at that. Look how many patterns you have. So now it just started. So it's 20 designs. So 2 of each. So now it starts again. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. Yep. There you go. It has a hole in the middle. I like that because it shows you the paper. That we get these paper sheets, the 8.5 by 11. So let me just show you the colors and just stick to the end because I will show you some other options of cards, because I don't know if you're like me, but I like to see some ideas of what kind of cards you can make. It serves as inspiration. So here are all the colors. I'm just trying to open it up so you see. Green, red, and there you go. So these are all the colors that you get. Gorgeous. I love this paper. It's so thick. So and it's double-sided. Usually it's white on the side, but Spellbinders is great because you can use both sides. So if you want to make a box with it, you can. So there you go. Now let's look at these. So we have one that is just flowers. Let me show you the flower one. See? It's just cutouts, but it's all flowers because it goes with the paper. And beautiful. The colors are very Christmassy. So I'll just open a few here, just so you see. So look at that. Look how beautiful they are. All of them have, most of them have, oh, I like the wreath. It has a hole in the middle, so perfect. You can put like a banner here with the message. There you go. You have big ones, you have small ones. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open it up and come back and you're gonna see all of them, okay? So here I have all the floral ones laid down for you. These are all foil, just gold. Let me show you what they look like. And each one, you get 2 of each one of these. So let me zoom in. You're going to miss out on some, but you'll be able to see it clearly. How beautiful are these? I'm going to move the camera here a little bit so you see a little more. So these are the floral cutouts. Let me get the other ones out and I will show that to you. It was hard to get everything out because there are just too many. I still have some left over here and I didn't have the space for that. So just so you know, you get 2 of each one of these. On the left side, you see more of the images that you can use. I'm going to zoom in. And on the right, I got just more like the sentiments and some of the banners and all. So look how beautiful these images are and how many you get. It's just really a lot. And that's one of them. The other one is the one that I showed previously, so the flowers. And now let's look at some. I think I've already shown you everything. Did I show you this? I'm not sure. Well, if I did, I'm showing, yeah, I remember the joy. So I have shown you this and you've seen everything. Let me just show you just a few more ideas for cards. I get these from their website, from Spellbinders, just so that you have some ideas because I haven't made any. So let's look at them. And thank you so much for your time with me. Please do click the link below because I am an affiliate with them and I get a small commission. So if you want to get the kit, please use the link, okay? It's in the description.